up, guys? So we got a call. Customer saying that there's no the AC is not turning on. So let's check it out. $83 degrees. Wow. Turn it off. Okay. We're gonna come check this one later, but so the first thing I found here was that this cable was not on, wasn't hooked up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and check everything and make sure that everything is working fine. So check it out. Amazing. I don't know if you guys can tell, but let me take this out for you. You see right here, that's a fuse, and if this fuse blows up, then that means that the whole system's not coming on at all. So that's what happened. I just put in a new fuse. It didn't blow right away. I already turned the system on. I already changed the thermostat. Changed T-stat. Yeah. Yeah, I put a new one in there. Just go ahead and turn it on. There you go. So system is up and running. Problem was the thermostat. The thermostat was fucked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal this back up. No good. Check him out, put the fuse. And it blew up. 3. They wired it wrong. Yeah. So system's back up and running. Temperature in here is 85. We're gonna wait for it to go like at least to 82, 80 degrees, and then we're gonna leave.